Mastering talent acquisition and retention. Our talent strategy is impeding operational excellence. How does our organization's current talent acquisition and retention strategy measure up against its intended objectives, and to what extent does it successfully align with our overall business goals in terms of driving operational excellence? To assess the effectiveness of the current talent acquisition and retention strategy in driving operational excellence, it is essential to evaluate its alignment with the organization's overall business goals and objectives. A comprehensive analysis of the current strategy's performance will provide valuable insights into its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Gap analysis of current talent acquisition strategy. 1. Time to hire. Analyze the average time taken to fill open positions and compare it with industry benchmarks. Identify bottlenecks in the hiring process that may be contributing to delays, such as lengthy approval processes, inadequate job descriptions, or ineffective sourcing strategies. 2. Source of hire. Evaluate the effectiveness of various sourcing channels, including employee referrals, social media, job boards, and recruitment agencies. Identify the channels that yield the highest quality candidates and optimize the allocation of resources accordingly. 3. Quality of hire. Assess the quality of candidates being hired, considering factors such as skills, experience, and cultural fit. Identify areas for improvement in the selection process, such as biases in interviews or inadequate assessments. 4. Candidate experience. Evaluate the candidate experience throughout the hiring process, including the job application process, interviews, and onboarding. Identify opportunities to enhance the candidate experience and improve the organization's employer brand. Gap analysis of current retention strategy. 1. Employee engagement. Analyze employee engagement metrics, such as surveys, feedback, and Net Promoter Scores. Identify areas where employees are dissatisfied and develop strategies to address these concerns. 2. Turnover rates. Evaluate the organization's turnover rates, including voluntary and involuntary turnover. Identify the root causes of turnover, such as inadequate training, poor manager relationships, or limited growth opportunities. 3. Training and development. Assess the effectiveness of training and development programs in enhancing employees' skills and knowledge. Identify opportunities to improve the relevance, accessibility, and quality of these programs. 4. Recognition and rewards. Evaluate the recognition and reward systems in place, including bonuses, promotions, and other incentives. Identify opportunities to improve the fairness, transparency, and effectiveness of these systems. Alignment with operational excellence goals. 1. Process efficiency. Evaluate the extent to which the talent acquisition and retention strategy supports process efficiency goals. Identify opportunities to streamline hiring processes, reduce bureaucracy, and eliminate unnecessary steps. 2. Cost savings. Assess the cost effectiveness of the current talent acquisition and retention strategy. Identify opportunities to reduce costs associated with recruiting, training, and employee turnover. 3. Innovation and improvement. Evaluate the extent to which the strategy encourages innovation and continuous improvement. Identify opportunities to foster a culture of innovation, experimentation, and learning. 4. Customer satisfaction. Assess the impact of the talent acquisition and retention strategy on customer satisfaction. Identify opportunities to improve customer-facing skills, knowledge, and behaviors. Recommended improvements. 1. Implement a data-driven approach. Leverage data and analytics to drive talent acquisition and retention decisions. Track key performance indicators, such as time to hire, source of hire, and quality of hire, to measure the effectiveness of the strategy. 2. Streamline hiring processes. Simplify and standardize hiring processes to reduce time to hire and improve the candidate experience. Implement automated workflows, online assessments, and video interviews to enhance efficiency. 3. Develop a total rewards strategy. Design a total rewards strategy that incorporates competitive compensation, benefits, recognition, and growth opportunities to attract and retain top talent. 4. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement by providing training and development opportunities, recognizing and rewarding innovation, and empowering employees to drive change. 5. Enhance managerial capabilities. Develop managers' skills and knowledge in areas such as talent management, communication, and coaching to improve employee engagement and retention. 6. Improve employer branding. Develop a strong employer brand that showcases the organization's culture, values, and mission to attract top talent and improve retention. 7. Increase diversity and inclusion. Foster a culture of diversity and inclusion by implementing bias-reducing strategies in hiring, promoting diversity training, and creating employee resource groups. By implementing these recommendations, the organization can improve its talent acquisition and retention strategy, driving operational excellence by reducing costs, enhancing process efficiency, and improving customer satisfaction.